Mamima Akwaba Eba Ghana SMTVGH and say Happy New Month to you also. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for following us. And thank you for commenting. Thank you so much. It was for MPP for the for Mundia grow. And find people before they grow. In every situation, everywhere we share MPP near. When you want to engage them in a conversation, to me, say Debbie, and go for way, or my junior, do ankasa. Janka step it down on something small. That is the I can't say. And no, and about that is the kind of aura that is around MPP for. And in Parliament, Assembly see, MP for Nsawam Adojiri, the Honorable Annoh Dompreh. Sorry, bisa nsɛm about procedural stuff be any nneɛma bi and this is for sneaking into the business order paper and all those of Parliament. And sorry, kasem no wie ne Mahama Ayariga or majority leader. Sorry say Oberi rebate. And when you rebuttal muno and oka say Annoh Dompreh on share the enti on now pay attention also. And no na Annoh Dompreh minority chief whip. Sorry, I say look. Mahama Ayariga da bank na oba leadership mu. Ye kanu party leadership me Annoh Dompreh. I am your senior. Our leadership mu. Enti ebeya. Upeso kasa, hwe kasa mo. Be de bia ope bia na obetimi aka kire me Debbie. Who gave you that audacity? Now kasa we no na speaker Bagbin wo ba want me intervene because on him say asema Annoh Dompreh kra no enukre. Again, and offer other paper ni business statement no and all the chire Mahama Ayariga and all the omanu free compulsory education because now they now feeling uncomfortable but why not betting sorry going or going what do you call baby it's better now and you listen to the truth now I am fair I am deeper. You see, these are the things that make me proud as an MPP member. Yes, because I know we have the men in every aspect. About no law, we have the men. About no engineering, we have the men. About no health, we have the men. Say health, say me oh, let me share. Say, I'm now part of the health policy team of the New Patriotic Party. Manka. Oh, then I'm announcing it to you, say, by the grace of God, through your support and everything. When MPP was looking for names for the health policy committee, I be scrutinize sa abobo lands needs and sema and this the banning what is actually going on our health satanuma can be. And we have the men in all sectors. About even creative art, we have the men. What are the thing? Finance everywhere. So let's go and watch Annoh Dompreh. I kind of say the beautiful and brilliant rebuttal. You will love it. Ebusianfo baby bia wo Ghana ha bia se wope photographers omunim juma ebano editing omutwa pictures omu cameras akese lenses akese omu drones ni bibia ope bia no touch of the way photography for omu naba was screen so esa wo contact omu say yeah a wedding funeral birthday party and I say asase bi mpo na wo na opese wo hia drone video ni drone pictures of assassina but modern say wa contact touch of the way photography bebia upe say omo ye djuma no ma e Ghana ha bebia no omo ye claro na omo ya ma and omo ye very 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 affordable so upe say birthday photo shoot mo manoni person surprise you be with a birthday photo shoot very important but modern say only touch of Zoe photography for wedding como. And they catch them say Ghana Sem TVGH4 and I recommend it. Once when I cast Ghana Sem TVGH4 and I recommend you mupe when you have the special discount.
Chief Whip. Yes, please.
Speaker, I'm sorry I have to come back. Speaker, if you may indulge me just a second. Majority Leader, if I have your attention. We are being called upon to adopt a business statement. And I hope I can have the Majority Leader's attention. Then he can get my communication well. Majority Leader, with respect to you, you referenced the order paper and said no motion have been advertised in the order paper. Yes, I am not referring to the order paper. I am referring to the business statement. And I am saying, and I insist, Speaker, for the records, papers are being laid today. The proposal is that papers will be laid today. Then the reports will be taken on Friday. Look at all these papers. And then consequential resolution will be taken. And you are telling me that I should learn. You've forgotten that I'm senior to you in leadership. So this thing about the report being laid today, the report being taken, consequential resolution being taken, it's not practicable. And that's what I'm saying. And when we adopt this, are we going to vary it and then, work on it? Then on the flip side, please listen to me. On the flip side, we are complaining that committee heads are not working and bringing their report. Chief Whip, House committee report, and I kept reminding you, let's be fair to the committee heads. House committee report was ready. The report on Arch insurance was also ready. And I kept reminding you, we kept advertising these on the order paper. You never took them. So there are instances where the committee has also worked on the report, and you, as leadership, you don't program these reports to be taken. But
Ebusian 4 maybe sounds to say, when we say Ghana Sem TVGH, we are a community, right? And that is why your feedbacks are important. That's why we respond to your feedbacks and everything. But also we need help with some of our gadgets. We need help with our studio that we want to move to and all those things. And now, the number is on your screen. Yeah, right here. Okay. Yeah, right here. That is the number. We would accept it. The other time someone sent me 50 Ghana cedis. I was so happy. So happy. Yes. So thank you so much for your contributions. Please keep helping us.
The budget was 400 Ghana cedis. And at a point, now me return was say, baby, and I'm now from Afienya to Accra, no many self-filling station. Me koko do hono na self-filling station, baby, and I'm a tono, a 6799. Eti emamire kra when I'm bisa say. At a point under another down Kufu Adobe Freeson, nay 14 point. I think 75. Thank you. 75. So I do ene when ya bosome mako dunsom. Onya 2 years say akakra. Udi enfan 2 years. Fuel afra se akwa kudu. Eye 16.799. Na mi bisa se eye deme asem de na esie ewo Ghana ha. Hwe Papa Richie ade baako a market for edwadifo ema ekonyuma ne yen menom ne yenuanom ekonyuma ede bom ho bra eye fuel na wonim wo sori anopa na wokọ koto aduane na sa wokọ na aduane ne boa aduane is because of fuel me see ene wo kwada so wo atimatim wo kejetia na sa wokọ choba bia kwa akodidi ne e ka kire se kotodwe say enye 10 cedi na ye 15 cedi and 20 cedi it means fuel Sana uwo etimetim uwo Malam Junction, uwo Malata Market, uwo Domi Market, uwo Madina Market. Ni catcher say beans. Say yen 15 cities na 20 cities is because of transportation. So it is clear, say transportation na ba beye bribia say be ekura Ghana fuomu. But ne yero John Dramani Mahama oba ya Ghana fuo bi say abampapa abano. And ne fuel 14.7 liter per liter no. Cities per liter no. Say akwa could do 6.799. 16.799. Maybe sas eda sema. Na uni madia ba ko etwa mensurum. Enyumre bia de ba beti kwase de bia de ba beti eye mande no be sore ni atofual. Enti sa wo ye o budget se ene o pese bia wo to e bia 12 liter na ye kan say 10 liters a. Wo be kwa kodu wonu sika na enu. And every car bia we use either commercial na private no. Papa Richie liters no na e yen kilometers na e kwan aye ko na sa kwan no eno na be determine say e bia ukọ 5 kilometers ukọ 10 kilometers e bia we use liters say na ende se me to 10 liter na me kon Kumase na se ntimi fa nkodi nkọkọ a metimi akọ ye madwuma. Papa Richie asama ye ke emu ye wiremo na amatimemfo no ebre. Papa Richie foton ade ayento yase aba beto fuarim eba beto asendu ade aso na maame no akwakofa boode afri eyensanwam maame no akwafa aduane afri obo ase de aba eye Kumase dwom no unyi ni se obeba na boode anase ye kan se pe ana tomatoes bo ekosoro a ono so ba oba betum ana eti se ukita sika na ukọ market a do you think so betimi adidwa? Papa Richie
Okay.
yeah, ye ko eye soga kope dabara aflawo na ye ko eye wo friend keje bi ni ade ko fa nam no. Me say Papa Richie enne obiara ofa tilapia ofa nam bia ye friend akosomo adwen ne niema no say ukọ a ye boa me ensa de ma 200 Ghana cedis. Why? Because we must fuel any niema boa edin. Na ye betna ha ne ye ka Ghana fo bi abamba. Papa Richie, de ye me ye twa me nsurum ne se ena